ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Garage Gear. I'm JB. Tacoma Bed Mats. They run about $100. Are they worth it? Let's find out. Stick around. So here's what I decided to do. I took my wheelbarrow and loaded it into my Tacoma without the bed mat. I took it for a quick trip around the block at approximately 35 miles an hour. Took some turns and then came to some fast stops. Watch as my wheelbarrow slams into the wall of the bed. No bueno. I am entering the danger zone in here because it's also super slippery when wet. This composite bed is dense and can hold a ton of weight, but it does not prevent your garage gear from sliding around. Here's the solution. This Tacoma bed mat fits my 6-foot bed perfectly. There's no trimming required. It's about a ½ inch thick and has tons of rubber nubs underneath. There's also a 5-foot version for you short bed people out there. I'll have both of these versions of the Tacoma bed mat linked down below in the description. This bed mat weighs about 30 to 40 pounds depending on the bed length. It is bulky to place in the bed and remove, but at highway speeds, it stays right in place. Put that baby in and you're all set. It even protects your composite bed from the toughest and dirtiest tools. It's also relatively easy to clean with some basic car wash soap and a scrub brush. I also have noticed that it's not as taxing on your body and on your knees when you're working in the truck bed. I'm a working man. My knees don't hurt like they would in the bed without the liner. Let's see if this mat survives the wheelbarrow test. I replicated my driving conditions as best as possible. Took some turns, then came to some fast stops. And wouldn't you know it, the wheelbarrow didn't even move. This mat does a great job of keeping your garage gear in place. Because of that mat, I worry a lot less about stuff slamming around in the truck bed while I'm driving. There's a lot of light tools that I can put in the truck bed that I don't really have to tie down because they simply do not move. My bed mat stays in all the time. In fact, this was the first purchase I made for my Tacoma and I haven't looked back since. This bed mat is one of those purchases that I highly recommend and you won't regret. I've never looked back at this mat before and said, man, I wish I never bought that. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's a good hard look at the Toyota Tacoma bed mat. For more cool Tacoma videos, check out my links down below in the description. And if you want to follow me further, check me out at garagegearjb on Instagram. Know someone that needs one of these bed mats in their Tacoma? Then please share this video with them and help me grow this channel. If you enjoyed this video, give me one of these. And if you are feeling the vibe and you want to be part of the tribe, subscribe so that way you can stay up to date with everything going on here at Garage Gear. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the garage.